returning value from a function. The main purpose of using functions is to get rid of the repetitive block of code. So, when an operation is performed inside a function, it gives back a value, which can be used later in the program to get the results, which makes a function more useful. Consider the previous example in which you have calculated the volume of a cuboid. The volume of cuboid did not return any value. But when the program executes, the volume of cube gets calculated and assigned the variable volume to it when it returns a value. However, it becomes useless if the function doesn't return. To implement return function in the volume of a cuboid, Step 1. The code for calculating the volume of cuboid is: Step 2. Click on the functions, select return block, drag and place it in the function block and add the variable volume to its text area as shown below. Step 3. Modify the onStart block as shown below. Well done! You have learned to implement return function.